Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a text art using blend tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So let me show you first how the blend tool really works. So you can take any shape. So for this particular example, I'm going to take the circle. I will turn off the outline. I will take another copy by using Alt or Option key. I will change the color. Let's say I will keep this. Now select both the objects. You can either use the tool itself or you can go to object and use the blend tool. You can select the properties before applying the blend tool or after, doesn't really matter. So let's say I want to apply some specific numbers. So instead of smooth, I will take specified steps, and if I press OK and again go to object and blend make, so this is how it will look, 8 steps. And if I want to increase the steps, I can again go to object and blend, or I can simply go to blend tool, double click, and I can increase the steps like so. And if I want, I can directly put some numbers like 250 and OK. So this is now a blend, and you can use different shapes to blend as well. The shapes don't have to be similar. You can use different color of shapes, different shapes. So for example, let's say I am taking a star and a circle. Again select both, and you can use this click and again click. Selecting both the objects is important, otherwise it won't work. So this is how we can do it from here again. And if I do smooth, it will be, they will not have any steps in it, and specified steps, as the name says, it will have steps. So again, if I increase the steps, it will look something like this. So I have created this blend already. So I'm going to take another copy by using Alt or Option. So let me just take. So for this particular effect, I need to apply gradient color. So I will choose gradient and I will change the gradient. If you are not able to see the gradient panel over here, you can simply go to Windows and turn on the gradient panel from here. So let's say I want different color, so I will go to this, and if you want, you can change the color, but for now I'm going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to repeat the same steps. Alt copy, it didn't copy. Select both the objects, click, click. If you want to increase the steps, let's say I will do 200. So I will copy this again, and for the text art we need to draw a text using pencil tool. Now drawing with pencil tool is necessary, because if you draw it with paintbrush tool, it won't work, because the pencil tool acts as a path and the paintbrush doesn't. So pencil tool, take any color that you want, color doesn't really matter. So let me draw it first. So let's say I want to draw, let's say alpha, like so. Again I'm going to pick any color. Now this is alpha. Let's say I want to draw another letter, let's say A. So this is a alpha. Now select the path, the pencil drawing is path now, and our blending, select both path and the blended shapes, and go to object, go to blend and click on replace spine. So this way it will apply on the path itself, and this looks like a 3D effect, 3D text effect, text art, whatever you like to call it. And if you want to change the order, let's say you want it, if you want to change it, you can change it also like so. And if you use the curvature tool, you can again change it like you have to select it first. Now select, and like you can increase, decrease as per your need, liking, like so, like so. So you can edit the shape after you created the shape. Now let's say I want to apply this to alpha. Now already applied to alpha. Now A, go to object, blend, replace, and again if I want this below, right click, arrange, send to back. So this will reverse. Again right click, arrange, send to back. So it reverses like so. So you can modify the shape if you want. So basically this is the method to create a text art in Adobe Illustrator using the blend tool. Pretty easy, can be used for designing things like artistic designs or something like that. You can use it. So it looks like a 3D because we used gradient color. So if you use the solid color, this effect won't work. So that's why we took gradient color. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.